What would you do if you need to sign a PDF document on your Mac? Print it out and sign it by hand, or pay for a PDF signing tool? Today, I'll show you how to sign PDFs on Mac for free. Preview is actually a great app for signing PDFs. Click the Annotate button, and you'll find the signature tool here. The first option is drawing directly on your trackpad. You can even add a label to your signature. Click Done, and it will be saved in Preview. The best part is that Preview remembers your signature, so next time, it's ready in one click. You can resize the signature and move it anywhere you need to sign. If you already have a handwritten signature on paper, choose Camera Mode. Then hold the paper in front of your camera. No printing, no scanning, no hassle. Click the signature and place it onto your PDF. Before quitting Preview, your signatures can still be edited or deleted. Even after saving the PDF, the signature can still be resized and repositioned. But once you send the PDF to someone else and they open it, the signature becomes flattened into the PDF and can no longer be edited. This makes Preview a simple and reliable way to sign PDFs. It's perfect for quickly signing forms, approvals, or documents you receive by email. Unlike Preview, PDFgear makes signing multiple pages much more convenient. Download PDFgear from the App Store. It's a free PDF editor and converter that lets you sign multiple PDF pages easily. Open the PDF document you want to sign. For example, this same PDF. Let's say you need to sign here. PDFgear also lets you upload an image of your signature. Removing the background makes the signature look more natural. Drag it into position, resize it, and apply it to multiple pages with one click. This is especially useful for contracts or forms that span several pages. Before applying the signature, you can still adjust or delete it, just like in Preview. In addition, you can also create a typed signature here. Select Keyboard Mode and type your signature. However, typed signatures feel less personal and are generally considered less secure than handwritten or image signatures. Whether you use Preview on Mac or PDFgear across devices, digital signatures save you from printing and scanning documents. Give them a try and make document signing one less thing to worry about. Follow our channel for more helpful PDF tips.